Hello everybody, Dominoes on is back. Okay. Alright. So let's see what we got here. Yes indeed. As y'all know, Fruity Pebbles. Anybody like Fruity Pebbles? Yep. The refrigerator gonna go in this corner right here. So the refrigerator is on its way. Dirty ass dishes. Alright. Good morning. That's my twin brother right there, as y'all see. Yep. Well, my girlfriend Tanya misses me though. Well, we gonna see each other soon. Well, alright. Well, finally got what we wanted, I guess. So the icebox was in the kitchen, as y'all saw in the other video. Okay. Alright. So that was in this corner, nothing in that corner. See? Well, and here I am. Alright. Well, we getting what we deserve. Happy thoughts. See? Bye bye.